Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create rewind effect in CapCut PC. So I'm going to add video to the track. So to make the rewind effect, you can pick clip and for the second clip, you can reverse. Just wait for replacing the clip. Just wait, and after done, you are just going to make it faster. Go to speed and select normal, and you can scroll to the swipe to the right or make it faster, and you can see for the final result. Alright, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.